The works of God talaga really works para sa mga tao na naganay. Sabi nga, isa sa mga nabasa ko during that moment while on my travel, sabi niya doon, God knows the intent of our hearts. He knows what we think and He knows what we... Yung gusto natin mangyari during those times. At alam niya, yung mga bagay na yun. At dahil doon, hindi niya tayo pababayaan. I will grab every opportunity to show and to prove to you yung pagmamahal ko. When you ask me na bakit kita minahal, siguro that is the thing. Siguro yung personality na, saka yung mga bagay na binigay mo sa akin, yung chance and this moment to be with you together forever. And napakalaki yung pagkakataon that these things happen to us to be united. At nandyan yung mga family natin na sumusuporta sa atin and even all of our friends. Kaya I was thankful na dumating ka sa buhay ko and I was thankful na binigay ka ng Diyos sa akin. Sabi ko nga, you are a blessing para sa akin. At yun din, kaya I was thankful and I was blessed to be with you. Salamat na marami. I love you.
Put you before me till the end of time.
Dapat siya nakatumingin hindi sa akin. Yan, ano mo sa akin ka nakatingin. Ulit.
To my last breath frozen. Oh,
Right time, right place, right person. I love you.
you are mine. My heart beats for you alone.
Nakita ko how yung Diyos na nag-work sa atin. And so much grateful talaga ako kasi kilala kita. I know na kinonfirm ka talaga ng Diyos sa prayers ko. Yung confirmation is na-receive ko talaga siya. And I'm very, very sure nag-yes yung Diyos. I know na magiging happy yung family natin, gospel-centered family, yung pangarap nating dalawa. I love you at nandito lang ako lagi to support you sa lahat. Ako yung banker. I love you.
Heaven always puts you before me to the end of time.
Opportunity po na ito na magpasalamat po talaga sa lahat ng mga tumulong and the start po ng preparations hanggang until now. And sobrang napaka-overwhelming po. Sobrang nagpapasalamat po kami.
Someday we'll see forever means my love. 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 I will forever and always put you